we have our patented Bertello SimulFIRE 16-inch rotating outdoor pizza oven. This oven features our exclusive flamethrower dual over-under burner system. The flamethrower consists of two separate independently controlled burners that heat the stone from below and cook the toppings from above. Only Bertello offers this flamethrower dual burner system. Our patented SimulFIRE technology allows you to cook with wood and gas at the same time. This gives you the convenience of gas to heat the oven to 900 degrees and the smoky flavor of wood. Other pizza ovens make you choose between cooking with either wood or gas, but only Bertello allows you to cook with both at the same time. To make it even easier to bake great pizzas, Bertello offers a rotating stone that ensures even cooking without the need to manually rotate the pizza. Simply plug the oven into an outlet or use batteries, then flip a switch to engage the turntable. The pizza oven also includes a Bluetooth thermometer with a smartphone app. Gas and wood are better together. It's the best of both worlds and available only with Bertello.